up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we have a pretty special build for you. This is a 2011 Toyota Tundra. We sent this truck up for a gentleman whose Instagram handle is Combat Learjet. Go check him out. He does a lot of aviation-centered content. He's really been posting a lot about the tankers that are going up and fighting the fires up just north of us. But he's definitely worth a follow if you're into anything aviation, Air Force, or just military in general. But without further ado, let's get into the lift kit that we did. This is going to be the 6-inch Rough Country lift kit. It is going to be upgraded with the Rough Country M1 Shocks. These are going to be in monotube. The original lift kit is going to call for an M3 shock, which is going to be a twin tube. It's going to be a little bit more akin to what you get from the factory. You have fluid and gas touching one another within the system, so it is susceptible to shock fade throughout time as you start shaking and heating up all that fluid. Basically kind of turns into more like root beer and doesn't dampen as well, so you kind of feel like you're riding around on a pogo stick. The fluid management and the valving of a monotube shock does not allow the fluid to touch air within the system, so it doesn't really fade like a traditional twin tube shock does. So that's something to keep in mind as you're looking to upgrade this Rough Country kit. The wheels are going to be the Fuel Twitch in a 20x10. These are going to be a -18 offset, and that will get us the fitment to accommodate the 35-1250 Klever RTs. These are one of our favorite tires. They have aggressive looks. They're not going to beat you up on road, but they're also going to have the performance that you demand off-road. All right guys, Brian at SoCo Customs, that is Combat Learjet's personal truck that we lifted for him. Give this video a subscribe, give us a follow, and make sure you head on over to his page. Give him a follow as well. Definitely a great Instagram to check out.